It's in the tree. It's in the tree. It's in the plants.
The poor thing is scared.
I know, but I gotta get a good shot of it. Miley, what is that? What is that? Whoa. Whoa. It's a bird. We were doing construction and we were going in and out of the house, and the back door got left open for a second somehow, and a bird got in. There it is. Oh, this is hilarious.
Oh.
How did this happen?
You opened the door and it flew right by your head. You didn't see it.
I didn't see it. I saw it when it flew. I saw like, I thought it was like a floater, you know? Keep thinking that painting is real life. Don't give us bird flu.
Right here.
Where the heck did it come from? Miley, what is that? What is that? Whoa! Whoa! It's a bird! Where the heck did it come from? Where the heck did it come from? Miley was slowly coming behind her. That was so cute. She was like a little tiger in the wilderness. She was like in the jungle, like, wow. She was like, wow. Like, I want to get you, but I can't get you. There's nothing to climb on. If she was in the real jungle, there would be like a tree that she could climb up and get the bird, you know? I mean, the bird couldn't go anywhere then. Whoa! Get out of our house! See, it knows where it came from. Shoo! Shoo! Thank you!
Oh, here we go.
Now get out!
Where is it?
He's sitting right there! He just made a funny face!
Where is it?
He's sitting right there!